Hello everyone. Welcome to me cooking. Ignore my pants because I woke up today and realized that I just don't have any pants. We've got everything that we need. I hope. I do not know if we have everything. Welcome.
Hi.
Would you like to cook?
Yes!
Yes. Okay, we're going to be cooking a cake today. That is the correct word. Toe is gone yet again, but that's okay.
I'm here. I'm here.
There it is. All right, cool. And you're just gonna. Are you just gonna? Well, all right. Okay. Yeah, that's the thing. Thank you to everyone who's resubscribing as well. Are you forcing Tubbo to do this against his will? No. Right?
Ranboo.fashion.
Yeah, that's what I thought.
Ranboo.fashion.
That's what he's gonna do. That's just. All right, hold up. Let me find the locket. You entertain. I have to find the locket.
Now, from the top, fuck! Oh god, I'm not that flexible. Oh!
What?
I'm being cool.
I could string completely nude if I wanted to.
Oh!
Anyway, we're just making. Are you just still on the floor?
Pain!
Are you? It's okay. It's okay. Okay. What are you doing?
Wait for it.
I'll make a cake.
Oh, okay. Yeah. Alright, I need you to look at how many eggs, and then I need you to crack the eggs and put it in there. I want to see you crack the eggs. Okay, well, alright. Alright, we'll just get out of this.
I'll make a cake! Okay. How many cakes do I need in my egg?
No!
Wait. One. There we go. My work here is done. Cooking done. Did we want to
Crack the eggs! No, you get to
Dude,
fish
I will
those eggs
punch
out.
him, bro.
No, you get to fish those. Do not punch
You want
them.
eggshell in your
No,
cake?
no,
dickhead.
do not. No, take the eggs out and crack. No.
Come on.
No, seriously, don't. Take
It's
the
not
eggs
like
out.
you bought millions of cake batters. Like
Yes, no,
holy
but this
shit.
one was the only funfetti one.
There's so many of these shits.
Yes, but this one was the only funfetti one.
What's a funfetti? That's not even a flavor. Funfetti is not a flavor. Ah! You don't know crack your own eggs, dickhead. I'm out of here. I'm blowing this popsicle stand.
Why? Why? Actually, why? Oh my god. Why did you do this? Okay, I need you to crack the eggs.
I'm not cracking those fuckers.
Crack the eggs and
That
put
is
them in.
murder. They're babies.
I will give you free merch if you do it.
Okay.
Okay, there we go.
I'm built differently. Yeah. Oh shit!
I'm gonna dip my hands in some butter, and I'm gonna smear it around.
Please don't finger my butter.
Why would you ever want to say that?
Please.
Knock that one off of the things that I have done in my streaming career page, because we have actually. I'm kidding.
I am
I'm
just
kidding.
a number.
That was a joke.
Entirely dehumanized. You only care about the money.
Oh my god. Okay.
Scum.
Now you're going a little bit too far into the. Hey.
Ah!
Yeah, that's right. Aha! I remember. I actually DM'd them. Are you good? All right. Anyway, Okay, so how long is he gonna commit to this bit? I think this is the longest he's ever. Oh wait, 1 second. I need to wipe my hands. There we go. Okay, awesome. Still there. All right. Hi guys. Oh Jesus, that was violent.
Cease!
I did not expect it to be this many people, and I just put my hand directly in it.
It's me. I've been wondering about the cake that we could make. Hello?
I didn't realize that my head was just completely out of frame the entire time.
You're cooking in my oven. Hello from the outside of the oven. I must have called at least 2 times to tell you I'm sorry for not preheating the oven. So your mayo will probably be raw. Don't give me
I have a really funny story about that. Did you know that he did not know that the center of food would actually be uncooked if you just have something on a really high temperature? You didn't remember?
You could just nuke it, dude.
Okay. You should...
Yes! I'm gonna stop dramatically gripping the oven.
No, you know what? You can continue to dramatically grip it. I need to DM more people.
How to make new friends. Okay.
How to make new friends?
No. Okay. Best sites to meet people. Okay.
Why are you looking at?
No, I want like questions.
Why are you looking at?
Talking points. Okay. How to start a conversation with a new friend. Okay. Step 1.
Why are you looking at Ricky How?
Step 1. Shut up! I'm after love!
Alright. I'm alright. Why do you have a microphone?
Finish it.
I'm alright actually.
Do you believe in life after love?
Alright, the cakes are done now. Huh. Alright. Cool. So now we just wait, we have to wait like more for the cakes to cool and everything.
Can I prod it?
Maybe. You might burn your finger though, so be careful.
Okay, we're gonna do a speed prod. Ah! Yeah, let's not do any more prodding.
Oh my god. Are you alright?
I'm just.
You okay? Alright, okay.
I'm so ready.
You ready? Alright. 3, 2, 1.
Get fucked, mine superior! Yes!
You're just staying in the middle. Well,
I'm evading! I'm evading!
You're not moving at all.
I'm evading!
Do you even know which one is yours?
The red one! I'm evading!
Wait.
Yes!
No!
Let's go!
Oh, where'd you... Sorry. I'm washing my hands.
You're kind of slimy. Let's talk about some thoughts. So, I have a jar full of salt. I will use the salt. But if the salt is too much, I will retract the salt. Thank you, and good night.
Now, hopefully this will work first try. Well, crap. Whoop. Everything's going wrong. All right, there we are. Should be good. I'm a genius. All right, hopefully we're getting word back and everything from the website.
Which one's my one?
Whichever one you want. Okay, I will take this one then. Are you just gonna? No, you don't just. Still.
For what?
You don't like it? What? Well, that didn't work. And there it is. There you have it, everyone. The fully iced cake.